What is up, everybody? Kick it with Jay with
your boy P Kang 99, Petite Kang.
And in this one, what we're doing today is we are building
manga panel canvas. So essentially an anime poster canvas art. Best way to describe it. That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. So we're pretty much taking manga panels from scratch. We have nothing yet. And we are going to be making these canvases. We're going to be looking for our characters' panels now off the internet. Me, I am doing Portages D Ace from One Piece, also known as Fire Fist Ace. And Pratik is going to be doing
Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z.
Have you kind of like thought about like what panels you're going to use, or you have like no idea?
So essentially I'm going to be looking for like major panels of Vegeta. So like points that his character developed to change, iconic sayings, or just main scenes of him, you know. I just want to capture his greatest moments. So this is basically going to be a highlight of his greatest moments.
The only thing where mine and your characters are a little different is you're going to have like a lot of like content to sift through.
Exactly.
Whereas I'm not going to have as much, but also it's going to be probably tough for me to find it.
I guess until we start looking, we're not going to know.
Wrapped up finding our panels from the manga. So I've got about 11 pages here. Hopefully this isn't enough.
Myself, I got some pictures of Vegeta, same thing, got a whole bunch of panels. The next step we're going to do is we're going to cut it up and place it on the boards. Once we actually get it cut up in our canvas, then you'll know what we're doing. Hopefully it turns out good, it looks good up in here, hopefully it looks good on there.
See, the thing is about like doing this like for the very first time is we don't know if we have enough manga panels for this canvas. So like this is all just like trial and error right now at this point. Right now, like the first thing that I've already come across in terms of issues is like what size, because I have like a few different like sizes, and like obviously I feel like the more you kind of throw on there, it'll look a lot cooler. I've essentially cut up the panels that I want to use. So now I'm going to take an X-Acto knife to this and hopefully it cuts out properly, and then it's going to go on top of the panel. So the biggest thing about these is that I only printed one, and so if I screw up, this entire thing is just gone. Alright, so we've finished cutting everything out, and now we're just, we've arranged our panels as well. All we got to do right now is glue them. We've taken our photos to see where we've placed everything, and we're just going to let it go and just glue everything now.
Hopefully it turns out. Hopefully there's no gaps and hope the order doesn't change.
Thank you. Thank you.
If it does, who cares? If there's gaps, we'll have to figure out how to fix the spacing.
Just rearrange it, yeah.
But we won't know what to do until we actually start pasting it.
What we're using is cups to put the glue in.
Brushes to paint the glue.
We're going to paint the glue on.
The glue.
Glue. I remember using this in elementary school. That's the last time I ever used this.
And varnish. We wanted to use epoxy, but the people at the Michael store said that epoxy may not stick to the canvas. So they recommended this. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, then we'll know for next time.
I'm going to go to Michael's and I'm going to ask for a refund on the entire thing. We've officially glued everything down to our canvases, and now all we have to do is apply the
varnish. So essentially what the varnish is, it's just going to add like a nice gloss layer on top of it. And it's not going to make like an epoxy look. Clean it off, gloss it up, and add just so it's a little bit more scratch resistant and all that stuff to it.
Exactly. Alright, so we just finished applying our varnish and the finished products of our canvases. Bam!
Super bam.
Now, honestly, for this being our very first time doing these canvases, Pratik came with the idea, shot me with it. I'm like, yeah, I'm in, let's do it. I think it'd be like a dope thing to do. I was skeptical at first because I'm not very artistic. So when you brought it up to me, I was like, yeah, like, yo, that'd be dope. But like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Neither did I. You know, I'm not very artsy myself, so I
But
guess
we got it done. And like, realistically, man, they look dope.
I think it was a sick project.
Yeah.
We did it for the nostalgia factor. We did it because we like these characters. It's a great piece to hang up on the wall. I mean, who wouldn't want Vegeta on their wall? I mean, I know my wife wouldn't, but I would.
Comment down below what you guys think of these. If you guys
have
want
any,
more,
yeah, if you
let us know. Any suggestions on specific characters that you want us to do. If we get enough people kind of engaging in this piece, we'll definitely come up with more videos. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember to be the niche. Peace.